Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add shadows to the basic shapes in Canva. So I will show the step-by-step process. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my canvas. So let me insert some shapes here. So we have shapes here. Okay, so select your shape. So I have just select that basic shapes, rectangle. Okay, just maximize the size and just keep to the middle or center like this. Once you're done, go to the share, go to the see all and just copy the clipboard. Just copy it now. Now you can delete that original and paste here that copied. Copy shapes. Okay, now you can remove the bigger background if you have. You can crop it like this. Okay, just resize or crop like this. Okay, now we have the shapes as an image. Okay, now go to the edit, go to the shadows option here, select your shadows options, like if you want to give the that glow or cut, you can use here the blur amount, here the distance, here the curve and the intensity. You can also select that color for shadow. Okay, once you're done, you can see this is the we have the basic shape with the shadow. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.